Looking for unique handmade crafts for your garden decor? We've got you covered. Personalizing your garden with handmade crafts adds a distinctive charm that's hard to replicate. So, are you ready? Let's dive into our top 7 picks for unique handmade crafts to spruce up your garden. Starting at number 7, we have hand-painted stones. These small canvases are a testament to creativity, offering unlimited design potential. They're versatile, fitting seamlessly into any garden, adding whimsy or elegance. Hand-painted stones can be a great way to add a pop of color to any garden. At number 6, we suggest ceramic garden markers. These markers are not only practical for identifying your plants, but they also add an aesthetic appeal to your garden. Beautifully crafted, they bring a unique touch of charm to any garden. Ceramic markers not only serve a purpose but also add a unique touch to your garden. Coming in at number 5, we have bird feeders. These delightful items not only support local wildlife by providing food, but also serve as a decorative element. Their diverse designs can enhance any garden style. Bird feeders can be a functional and charming addition to your garden. At number 4, we suggest hanging lanterns. These delightful decor elements can create a cozy, inviting ambiance, casting a warm, gentle glow across your garden. Imagine the enchantment of a summer night, enhanced by their light. Hanging lanterns can transform your garden into a magical space. At number 3, we recommend mosaic stepping stones. These vibrant, artistic creations bring a unique flair to any garden path. With their intricate designs, they not only guide your steps, but also spark imagination. Mosaic stepping stones are a beautiful way to add personality to your garden. At number 2, we have fairy gardens. These enchanting creations are all about whimsy and imagination. Picture miniature houses, tiny trees, and even tinier fairies. Fairy gardens can bring a sense of wonder and magic to any outdoor space. And finally, our number 1 pick for unique handmade crafts is DIY water features. These can range from tranquil fountains to serene ponds, creating a soothing ambiance. They're not just aesthetically pleasing, but also invite local wildlife. DIY water features can be a stunning centerpiece for your garden. So there you have it, our top 7 picks for unique handmade crafts for your garden decor. Each item, from hand-painted stones to DIY water features, showcases creativity and uniqueness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration. Happy crafting!